What it do, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's Jiren here, man. I got my guy Ben over here. He also has an RS5. He has that matte B9.5 RS5 Sportback. He's also tuned with 034. And so what we're gonna try to do here is we're gonna try to see if there's a difference between stage 1 and stage 1 plus. Now I'm on stage 1 plus, E85. I'm gonna have IE's high pressure fuel pump. And Ben, what do you have? Do you have are you on E85? No, he's on 93. Okay, so it might be a big difference today. Hopefully we can see it. Hopefully my car's not the dud or it does something deady today. But it's nice, sunny, you know, pretty hot. But we both don't have intercoolers or anything, so it's gonna do 1 or 2 runs maybe and be done with this. So appreciate you guys for pulling up on this one. Catch you in the video. Woo! And that's good right there. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. We're running it back. Wasn't able to drop my time, guys, but I'm pretty sure because the car is really hot. It's like, what, 91 degrees out here, and my AC is blasting now. It wasn't blasting in the 0 to 60, of course, but top. So heat soak is a real thing. I'm pretty sure it happened that fast because I went from 3.1 to 3.3. It's still kind of not enough, for lack of a better expression. So hopefully I can get into the 2s and with a valid slope pretty soon. But honestly, I'm happy with the results. Like I said, my friend, he doesn't have that many mods. He just has the tune, you know. That's pretty much it. And so just having just the tune is pretty nice. Realizing that, you know, with all these differences that 034 says it's gonna make, it actually does make a difference. And so I'm gonna talk to them 034 about hopefully doing some more R&D, because if this is what we're doing with just little differences like this, I can't imagine what happens with the inserts and the like maybe potentially hopefully getting forged pistons and, you know, new rods, whatever the case may be. I really am happy with the results of that. Yeah, shout out to Ben. I'm gonna drop his Instagram tag down here in the description so that you guys can see it. And appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. It's gonna be a quick little video, but an important one indeed, for sure. Yeah.